Managing two-factor authentication for your users in Groomsoft. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage two-factor authentication for your users in Groomsoft pet grooming software. As a salon owner or administrator, you have several tools to manage two-factor authentication for your users. You can view which users have 2FA enabled, help users who are locked out of their accounts, manage trusted devices, and enforce 2FA requirements for your entire salon. Let's start by viewing which users have two-factor authentication enabled. Navigate to Settings, then click on Users. In the Users list, you'll see a two-factor enabled column. This column shows three possible statuses. Yes means the user has active 2FA. No means the user has 2FA configured, but it's currently disabled. And not set up means the user has never set up 2FA. To view a user's full 2FA details, click the Manage link in the two-factor enabled column. This link only appears if the user has 2FA configured. Here you can see the user's 2FA status, when they enabled it, how many backup codes they have remaining, and a list of their trusted devices. Each trusted device shows the device name or browser, date added, and expiration date. Now let me show you the most common administrative task. Helping a user who's locked out because they lost their phone and don't have backup codes saved. From the user's 2FA management page, click the Disable Two-Factor Authentication button. Confirm the action when prompted. What happens when you disable 2FA? The user's 2FA is temporarily disabled, but their secret and backup codes are preserved. They can now log in with just their username and password, and they can re-enable 2FA from their profile without reconfiguring their Authenticator app. After disabling 2FA for a user, instruct them to log in with their username and password. Go to their profile, and if they have a new device, they should remove 2FA and set it up from scratch. If they still have their Authenticator app, they can simply re-enable 2FA and generate new backup codes. Remove two-factor authentication. If a user needs to completely start over with a new device, you'll want to remove their 2FA entirely. From the user's 2FA management page, click the Remove Two-Factor button. Confirm the action, and be aware that this is permanent and cannot be undone. When you remove 2FA, all of the user's 2FA data is permanently deleted. Their secret code, backup codes, and trusted devices. The user can log in with just their username and password, and they must set up 2FA from scratch if they want to use it again. Managing trusted devices. You can also manage a user's trusted device. This is useful when a user suspects unauthorized device access or accidentally trusted a public computer. To revoke a single device, click the Revoke button next to that specific device. To revoke all of a user's trusted devices at once, click the Revoke All Trusted Devices button. All devices will then require 2FA on their next login. Enforce two-factor for all users in your account. Now let me show you how to enforce two-factor authentication for your entire salon. Navigate to Settings, then click Salon Info. Click the Edit button. Scroll down to the two-factor authentication section. To require 2FA for all users, set the required drop-down to Yes. Click the Save button to save your changes. Here's what happens when you enable the 2FA requirement. Your users get a 14-day grace period to set up two-factor authentication. During this grace period, users can still access all Groomsoft features normally. They'll see reminder alerts on each login encouraging them to set up 2FA, and the alerts show how many days remain in the grace period. After the 14-day grace period expires, users must have 2FA enabled to access Groomsoft. Users without 2FA will be shown an alert that 2FA is now required and immediately redirected to the 2FA setup flow. They cannot access other features until 2FA is enabled. Users who previously had 2FA but disabled it will be shown an alert to re-enable 2FA and must verify with their existing Authenticator app before accessing other features. If your users need more time to set up 2FA, you can extend the grace period. From the User Settings page, click in the field next to Two-Factor Extension until, and choose the date that you would like to extend their grace period to. Click Save to apply the new date. You can extend the grace period as many times as needed, and users will see the updated deadline in their reminder alerts.